Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 7A and 7B simulation exam and training. So total question is 20 and if you want to complete assignments or exam you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses it's Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So question number one is click a cell B5 and then click the formula tab. In the function library groups, click the financials and scroll to and then click the PMT in the function argument dialog box with the insertion point in the red box type B4 divided by 12 and then tab in the neighbor box B3 multiplied by 12 and press tab in the PV box and then B2 click OK and B5 selected it and minus sign PMT. So select the cell is B5 and go to the formula tabs, click the functional library groups, click the financials and scroll down and click the PMT function. P PMT functions. Open the PMT function dialog box and B4 divided by 12. B4 divided by 12 and neighbor is B3 multiplied by 12. Next PV is PV box is B2. Cell is B2 and select the formula and assign the PMT function. Click OK and minus sign and press enter. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is you do not want to you payment to exist 8,000 per month. Click the cell B5, click a data tabs and then for cost group click the what if analysis and then click a goal 6 with the B5 in the set cell box. Click in the to value box, type 8,000, click in the by changing the cell box, type B2 and then click OK, goal 6 status box and click OK. So select the cell is B5 and go to the data tabs, go to the for cost groups and click the what if analysis and click the goal 6. So with the B5 is set cell box, click the to value box is type 8,000.00 and by changing the cell is B2 remove of round and click OK and again OK. Next is A7, type the option H1 reduce the loan amounts and then press enter. Tax will automatic. So copy the title and paste the title in cell A7 and press enter. Next is merge and center the range A7 to B7. Cell A7 to B7 and merge and center. So go to the home tabs, go to the alignment groups and click the merge and center. Next is select and then copy the content of the range A2 to B5. Click the cell A8, right click the selection and then from the shortcut menu point up paste special and then click the value and number formatting A. So copy the range A2 to B5 and paste the range, press enter. Go to the home tabs and go to the clipboard groups and click the copy. Next is click the cell A8 and then selection, and then format the shortcut point, paste special and click the value and number formatting. So click the paste and value and number formatting in cell A8. Next is type a value in cell B2 and then press enter. So copy the value and paste the value in cell B2 and press enter. The cell is B2 and type the value and press enter. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is you do not want your payment to exceed 8,000 per month. Select the cell B5, click the data tab. For cost group, click the what if analysis and then click a goal 6. With the B5 in the set cell box, click 2 in the 2 value box and then 8,000. Click by changing the cell box type B3, the periods and then click OK and then click goal 6 status box. So select the cell as B5. Select the cell as B5 and go to the data types and go to the for cost groups and click the what if analysis and click the goal 6. So to value is 8,000. Type the 8,000.00 and by changing cell is type B3. Select the cell as B3 and then click OK and again OK. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is copy the value and paste the value in cell B2 and press enter. Sorry. Select the cell as B2 and type the value and press enter. Next is type a 36 in the cell B3. Select the cell B3 and type the 36 and press enter. Next is type a 4% in the cell B4. 4% in cell B4 and press enter. Next is type a 24 in the cell C7 and press tab. Select the cell C7 and type the 24 and press enter. And next is D7, type the 13 and press tab button. So select the ranges C7, D7, point to the fill handle in the lower right corner of cell D7 and then drag the right through cell I7 used to autofill in the pattern of a month from the 24 to 60 in increments of the 6 month. So copy the range in, paste the range in I7. Next is type of 5.33% in the cell B8 and press enter. So select the cell is B8 and type the 5.00 percentage and press enter. So question number 4 is complete and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is select the cell B7 on the formula tab in the function library groups, click the financials, scroll down and then click the PMT in the function arguments dialog box with the insertion point in the red box and type a B4 divided by 12 and then press tab to select the neighbor box, type B3 and then press tab, select the PV box, type minus B2 and then click OK. So select the cell as B7 and go to the formula tabs. Go to the formula tabs and go to the function library groups, click the financials and scroll down and select the PMT function. So select the PMT function. So open the PMT function dialog box and function dialog box. Insertion point in the rate box is B4 divided by 12 and Niper is type B3 and press tab button. PV is minus B2 and then click OK. And then click OK and select the ranges. Select the range B7 to I24. Click the data tab. In the forecast group, click the what if analysis and then click the data tables. Set the B3 as the row input cell and B4 is the column input cell and then click OK. Select the range B7 to I24 and press enter. Go to the data tab and go to the forecast groups, what if analysis and click the data tables and row input cell is B3 and column input cell is B4 and then click OK. Next is apply the cell style to the range F8 to F19. So type the range F8 to F19 and press enter. Select the range and apply the cell style to the node. Go to the home tabs and go to the style groups and click the node cell style. And next is select the non-adjacent range B8 to B24. Copy the range, paste the range, press enter. So select the ranges B8 to B24 and second range is C7 to I7. C7 to I7 and then format mini toolbars and click and apply the bolts. So go to the home tabs and font groups and click the bolts. Next is with the range B8 to B24, B8 to B24 and C7 to I7. C7 to I7. Selected is use the mini toolbar and apply the centers. Element groups and click the center. So question number 5 is complete and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is select the range B6 to E10 and click the formula tab and then define name groups. Click the define name and name the range is bracelet cost and then click OK. So copy the range B6 to E10 and paste the range, press enter. B6 to E10, B6 to E10. Go to the formula tabs and in the define name groups click the define name. So name range is bracelet cost and click OK. Name range bracelet cost and click OK. E10 B6 to E10. We click the define name and name manager is the B6 to E10. Bracelet bracelets cost cost and click OK. Next is select the range B11 to E14. Copy the range and paste the range, press enter and name is to the necklace cost. So copy the name and paste the name boxes, necklace, cost and price enter. So question number 6 is complete and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is right click row 15 and click the inserts and insert the blank row. Row 15, sorry. Select the row 15, right clicks and click the inserts. So insert the new blank row and sweet search necklace in cell A15 and press tab button. So copy the title and paste the title in cell A15 and press enter. Next is 1166 in the cell B15 and press tab. So B15 and type the 1166 and press tab button. Next is C15, type a 1087 and press tab button. Next is type 847 in the cell D15 and press tab button. 8847 and press tab button. Next is type a 965 in the cell E15 and press tab button. So 965 and press enter. Next is format the from the formula tab display the name manager and then edit the name range necklace cost so that refer to the range B11 to E50 and then save the changes. So go to the formula tabs and go to the name managers and click the edit the name to the necklace cost and click the edits. Necklace cost is B11 to E15 15 and then click OK. Click the close. So question number 7 is complete and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is select the range A80 to E18 on the formula tab in the define name group. Click the create from a selection with the left column selected, click OK. So type the range A80 to E18, press enter. So select the range on the formula tabs and define name groups. Click the create from a selection and click the left column and click OK. So question number 8 is complete and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is display the annual merchandise cost sheets. Annual merchandise cost worksheets and click the cell B5, type is equal to sum and then scroll to the bottom of the display autocomplete list, double click bracelet cost and then press enter. So select the cell is B5, type is equal to and type the sum and type a B and then scroll bottom and display the autocomplete list is the bracelet cost. Then scroll down and bracelet cost, double click and press enter. Next is in a cell B6 type is equal to sum and then use the same technique to the sum necklace cost. So select the cell is B6, type is equal to and type the sum and type n and same technique to the sum necklace cost. Scroll down and double click the necklace cost and press enter. Next is in the cell B7 type is equal to sum and then on the formula tabs in the define name group use the formula command to insert the formula for key chain cost and press enter. The cell is B7, type is equal to and type the sum and go to the formula tabs, define name groups, use in the formula command, insert the formula, use the formula is the key chain cost, double click and press enter. So question number 9 is complete. We move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is, on the product information worksheets, select the range A4 to C11, click the data tab in the sort and filter groups, click the sort in the dialog box, click the sort by arrow, click the style codes, be sure that the order indicates A to Z and then click OK. So A4 C11 and press enter. Go to the data tabs and sort and filter groups. The sort and filter groups. Go to the data tabs and click the data tabs and sort and filter groups. Sort and filter groups and click the source and sort by arrow by the style codes. Be sure that the order indicate A to Z and click OK. So question number 10 is complete and we move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is, display the phone order worksheets and click the cell B9, click the formula tabs. The cell is B9 and click the formula tabs. In the function library groups, click the lookup and then click the VLOOKUP function. The formula tabs and lookup and reference and click the VLOOKUP. Choose the VLOOKUP. So open the VLOOKUP formula tab in the lookup value box. Click the cell A9 and then click the table array box and product information worksheets and select the range A4 to C11, A4 to C11 in the product information worksheets and click the column index number is type 2 and the range lookup is type true and then click OK. And A9 table array box product information A4 to C11 and press F4 and column index number box type 2 and then click the range and type true and click OK. So B9 down to cell B18. So copy the formula B9 to B18. Next is, in the cell E9, enter a formula VLOOKUP function that will set the cell A9 as the lookup value, the table array as the A4 to C11 product information worksheet and return the value from the column 3 of the table array. So select the cell is E9 and type the VLOOKUP function. So open the VLOOKUP function dialog box and set the cell is A9 is the VLOOKUP value. A9 is the VLOOKUP value and table array as the A4 to C11 in the product information worksheet. So select the product information worksheets and range is A4 to sorry, product information A4 to C11. A4 to C11 and press F4 button, and return from the value column box is 3. So type 3 and then click OK. So question number 11 is complete. We move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is display the product information worksheets and select the range A4 to A11. To name the range, click the formula tab and then define name groups. Click the create from a selection. In the dialog box, select the top row and then click OK. So type the A4 to A11, press enter, name range and click the formula tabs and then define name groups and click the create from a selections and select the top row and then click OK. Next is display the phone order worksheets in the ranges A9 to A9 to A18 and press enter. Go to the data tabs in the data tool groups and click the data validations. In the dialog box, setting tabs and allow arrow and click the list. Allow arrow is click the choose the list. In the source box, type is equal to and type the style code and then click OK. And A11, the cell is A11 and then click arrow B minus DB. Next is type 24 in cell C11. Select the cell C11 and type the 24. Press tab button and next is type a multi in the cell D11 and then press enter. So type the multi and press enter. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grades your exam and assignments.